This video is sponsored by propertywaves.net where you can register your own property for free. So I put link is in description box. If you are interested to sell your property with our website propertywaves.net, you can check it out. So hi there. Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Is It Property? And if you are new into this video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all the future updates. So, if you are looking for the comfort, then you are at the right place. Don't worry at all, we are here for you and for your smile. So, moving with today's attraction part. Here I have mentioned all the details about the apartment. So in this apartment you will get 3 bedroom and 2 washroom. The area is 1884 square feet and it is located in Egypt. Here is all the details, please have a look. So hi everyone, moving with a bedroom part. This is our beautiful design bedroom with all the attractions with a centralized AC with a window style bedroom, and this is our first look towards the bedroom. As you can see, this bedroom is so spacious and gives you very beautiful looks towards inside, like it's a very royal place. There is also a study table where you can work or study. This bedroom is so comfortable and the walls and floors are very neat and clean. So it's a perfect bedroom. And this is the wardrobe with all the classic space and all the classic looks towards cream and white colors. There is a many window in this room also. So this is the perfect combo pack for you. You should grab it. And this is the hall part with all the facilities like TVs, table lamps, dining tables, sofas, curtains, windows, mats, and many more things. And this is the kitchen with all the facilities like microwaves, refrigerators, electric mugs, and many more things. And this is the washroom. As we already know, washroom is a place which we need every day. So now it's all about details about the apartment. Now moving with her features and amenities part about the apartment. So this apartment is fully furnished and it provides you kitchen appliances, 24-hour security, built-in wardrobes, balcony, networkers, view of landmark, covered parking, and many more things. So it's all about details. Now if you have any kinds of inquiry or advertisement, you can contact us through our email ID or through Facebook. So our mail ID is inquiry@propertywaves.net. So this is all for the day. So please, if you like this video, please post your comment. We'd love to read it.